No. Epic fail. I know this is harder. No. Oh, too late. No. Oh, I didn't get to drop. Fuck's sake. No. Too early. No. Oh. I could do better than that. No. Made it. Damn it. No. Too much. No. Overdid it. I did it too. No. No. This is hard, man. I swear down. I got to score. Not. No. Oh. Oh. Too much. No. I had enough. I can do this. I can do this. Oh. No. That's terrible. No. No. Not again. No. Oh. 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 No. No. Oh. Stop. I'm close. This is a joke. Oh. Please. Don't you dare. Oh no. I'm not accepting that. No, I did it too quick. Oh, sugar. No. Have to get this now. That's rubbish. Oh, sugar. I can't do this right now. I think I'm rushing. I need to take my time. I'm actually going to go crazy here. Oh, come on. This is not it. I can do this. Oh, that's so torture. I don't know what I said there. Didn't make sense. No. Oh. Yes. I got 1,000. Oh, let's go to the other one. Oh. Oh. That hurts. No, too quick. I did it too soon. No way. Stop. That is total bullshit, man. Oh, no way. How could that happen? I'm going crazy here. No. That was rubbish. Oh! Close, but not close enough. I'm trying to get to the 1,000 part. Oh, the small circle. No, that was too late. I delayed it. Oh! Oh! Oh no. I thought it would drag along. No way. Why did it happen? What was that? No. Oh! Oh, that is a joke. Yes.